Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find advanced settings. Now let's tap on languages and input at the very top and enter languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, I don't know, it doesn't really matter. For example, maybe this one. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list, but the English language is still a main one. It is because it is at the very top of the list. So we have to tap on the one we would like to use and hold it. And as you can see, we can right now change the position of it. So let's drag it to the very first position and release the finger. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So remember, it has to be at the very first position. So let me show it to you again. Let me tap on English and drag it to the first position. And the same situation, but right now everything is in English. And basically, this is how to change the language. If you'd like to turn, maybe not turn off, but simply remove the language from this list, just tap on the three dots icon and mark the language you'd like to remove. Tap on the trash bin icon and of course confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change a system language in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.